Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious butter toast at home. First, gather your simple ingredients: 2 slices of your favorite bread, about 1 tablespoon of butter, and a toaster or a frying pan. You can use any bread you like, from classic white to hearty whole wheat. Unsalted butter is often preferred, allowing you to add salt to taste later. Now, let's toast your bread. If using a toaster, simply insert your 2 slices and set it to your desired browning level, usually around a medium setting. For a pan, place the bread in a dry pan over medium heat, flipping after about 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden. Keep a close eye on it to avoid burning. The key to perfect butter toast is applying the butter while the toast is still hot. This allows the butter to melt beautifully into the warm bread. Take about 1 tablespoon of softened butter and spread a thin, even layer across each slice. Ensure every part of the toast gets a delicious coating for maximum flavor. Finally, it's time to enjoy your creation. For an extra touch, a tiny pinch of sea salt can really elevate the butter's taste. Feel free to customize your toast with toppings like a spoonful of jam, a drizzle of honey, or even a slice of avocado. Serve your butter toast immediately to savor it at its absolute best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.